Hi everyone, so this is day 2 of my quarantine. I still have my beautiful Tiffany blue bracelet that was given to me by immigration officers when I landed in Hong Kong. So what have I been doing today? Today was actually quite an exciting day. I'm holding a virtual practicum for my master's students who were not able to go into schools to conduct their teaching practice. So we're holding a virtual practicum where each of my students has to co-plan with another student in the class, and then they teach us, they're given about an hour, they teach us a maths lesson. So it was a great lesson this morning. Shout out to you, Joseph, for being the first one to volunteer to teach us. He had a great Desmos activity and all the students were pretty engaged. One of probably the biggest lessons and takeaways that we took from that lesson this morning was the use of breakout rooms in Zoom is really important. So we're going to make sure that all of the virtual practicum lessons utilize that resource of the breakout rooms in Zoom. So if you haven't seen it in Zoom, make sure you log in online to your Zoom account, and you have to actually enable the breakout room function. You can also enable the poll function as well. So that means that you can pre-prepare polls before your lessons start, and you can ask your students quick formative assessment questions as well. And then the highlight of my day, guess what that was? That was talking to Kath Murdoch, and we shared some ideas of how we can develop our professional development courses in a virtual face-to-face synchronous online environment. So we shared lots of ideas together. I think it's really important that we try to support each other during these very difficult and challenging times in the world. And so it was lovely to meet Kath. Hi Kath, shout out to you. And we inquired into basically how we're going to run a professional development course online. So that was a really good conversation. So that's day 2. Day 2 still good. I learned from yesterday to get up, to get dressed, to groom. So I'm still continuing to do that. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 3. Bye.